All right, for this video, I do want to show you how to assign educators to a course. So whether it's for first semester, second semester, each course needs a teacher assigned to it. Of course, that teacher has to have an account, so make sure that you watch the video on how to create an educator-teacher account, same thing. But for this, you're going to go ahead and log into Edgenuity, and again, this is only for the 612 side, not for the K5 side. And then you're going to go to Courses, and then you click Manage Courses. And you're going to see an entire list of all courses come up. And you can see right now I have a couple filters on, but I'm in the West Branch Middle School account just as the example. So if I know that I'm looking for a certain class, you definitely can put like science if I know, and then I might want to just filter. Just to make it easier, I would go to subject, put science, and then grade, I would put, let's say I want 7th, and then I would hit apply. All right, and then it's really sorted out, you know, over 500-600 classes, it's taken it down to 7. So imagine, and I'm not actually gonna do this, but if I wanted, let's say I wanted a teacher for this Science 7A credit recovery class, I could click on that. All right, now notice when I click on the class I want to assign a teacher to, you just do them one at a time. That's the way I do them. You could probably do them in bulk, but I guess I don't do that. Okay, notice that there's, as soon as I click on a class, now all of a sudden there's a row of menus that shows up. See, when I click on it, it goes away. All right, at that point, it's as easy as you think it's going to be. You can see right now there is no teacher assigned to this class, and I want to assign a teacher. So I would click up to Assign Teachers, and provided that you've created a teacher account already before doing this, you're going to have a list of teachers in your school that you can use. I have a pretty extensive list, but you click up here on Add Teacher, and then you can see, you know, I have a whole list of teachers. I can search for a teacher, or I can click on a teacher. So I'll just do an example here. I'll click on this teacher, and then of course I simply just click Assign. Now I'm not going to do that. You know what, maybe I'll do it just to show you the switch. Okay, I assigned that teacher. So if I now you can see that there's no teacher assigned. That's just because you have to refresh. It'll show up eventually, but if you refresh, now all of a sudden you see that teacher, and now that teacher is assigned. Now you can have more than one teacher if you have like co-teaching, or you split, you know, maybe one teacher does A to M and the other does N to the end of the alphabet C. That's fine. You can see this class has 2 teachers, and these classes each have 1. And if you ever have to take a teacher off, it's the same way. So the teacher I just put on, I would click here. And now I have, and I would go to Assign Teachers, even though I'm going to unassign a teacher, I guess. You can see that she's on there. Amber, I click. As soon as I click her name, I get a remove button that comes up here. I click remove, and then I hit OK, and now she's already off. All right, and that's how you assign a teacher. Okay, hopefully that helped, and you can go through and make sure that all your first or second semester classes have the correct teacher or teachers assigned to the course.